This isn't spooky enough. That's better. Okay. It's spooky season, so you know it's about to get crazy up in here. Okay, not that crazy, but like, you know what I mean. It's gonna be lit, it's gonna be spooky, it's gonna be dark, okay? It's getting... I have around 30 videos that are spooky inspired, and I'd like to get all of them out by the end of the year. And I'd like to officially cut off any like girlier styled things that I used to put up. Like, yes, I will do them and maybe you guys will see it, but I want this account and I want my aesthetic to just officially stay in a more edgy, a more darker like tone for like ever. Because it's kind of who I am, and I feel like every time summer comes, I just like push away that part of me, which is such a large part of me, and then I end up not liking it as much. So yeah. If you happen to follow me on TikTok, you would know that I just kind of announced that I would be putting up small snippets of every single YouTube video that I make so that people on TikTok can duet them and do it in their own style. It's kind of a draw this in your style type of artsy thing, but it's video and it's anything goes pretty much. Like, literally, as long as you're inspired by my video, you can do whatever the heck you want. I don't even care. Like, I just want to see what everybody else can do. And I'm super excited because I recently had like a few people make videos inspired by my work, and it made my heart warm. Really, really warm. And so I'd like that to keep going. I want to see everybody's stuff, and yeah, if you want to follow me on TikTok, it's down below, or just search up Brittany D'Souza and I'm there. So let's talk about this video that you're watching right now. Where did I get the coffin? Obviously, the dollar store, because I love the dollar store. Yeah, I saw it and I was like, that's kind of cute. What would I put in that? And then I just thought, I want to put a little skeleton man in it. But I was like, where am I going to get a skeleton that size? And the skeletons come in a pack of 3 at Walmart that I found. And I'm like, oh, can my skeleton fit in that coffin? And then I tried it and I was happy. So, yeah, that's how I got my little skeleton. And his name is Bartois. Bartois. Yeah, little Bartois. He's so cute. So I know this is kind of a look on my room already, but the room is not done. There's still aspects of it I'd like to change and all that and add to it. I recorded the whole video, but I really don't know when I'm gonna put that out because it's just a lot of work. And like, it was fun while I was doing it, but now that I see the video, I'm like, that's a lot of work. So I don't know, that'll come out whenever. This is little Bartois, he's so cute. He's so cute. It's super cute, it's super small. I don't think people realize how small it is, but it's just, like, this is my little hand. It's literally this, like, it's my hand. So, like, you can't put much in it, but it's very cute, and I think Bartois looks so cute in it. Yeah, but this is the first thing I thought I'd start off the spooky season with, and I love it. I think it's so cute. I want to get something where it can, like, rotate, maybe, like, rotate open, and then you see, like, all the angles. Because I really like the back, if I'm being honest. Like, I think the back is my favorite part of it. I don't know why, but I plan to have these weird made-up writings in it, in a lot of other pieces, because I think it's really cool, and I'm really cool. I'm I'm not gonna lie, any parts that had to do with adding water kind of shook me to the core because I know damn well I did not level this piece at all when I put the water on the back at least. And yeah, it spilled over the sides the next day when I came back and looked at it. Had to touch that up, but it wasn't anything big, so that's good at least. Don't ask me about those hieroglyphics. I can't help you. I made them up, and 100% they will be coming back in future designs. So this is the beautiful end result for this piece. 10 out of 10 would recommend painting on a tiny coffin and getting a little bartois of your own. My little skeleton friend, I love him. This took me around an hour and a half within a span of 2 days, I'd say. I'm pretty sure that's what it said at least. There was a lot of drying because of the wet look that I did for the background. And yeah, it was just a good experience, so enjoy all these close-ups of it. If you like, subscribe, let me know what you want to see me try, and